In this video, I'll show you how to record your PC screen using a free online screen recorder, Screencast-o-Matic. So to start, search for Screencast-o-Matic in Google and choose this first link here. It will bring you to this web page, and from there you can click sign up in the top right hand corner. Here you can sign in using your college Gmail address, then fill in your name and hit create account. You will be redirected to this page, and from here you can launch the recorder from the upper right and wait for it to open. It will then bring up this overlay. It is important to note that the free version only allows you to record up to 15 minutes at a time. You can change the resolution and choose to add a voice over microphone. You can change preferences such as keyboard shortcuts to start and stop recording, etc. You also have the option to record just the screen, just your webcam, or the screen with a webcam overlay by clicking on the options at the top here. When you're ready, you can hit this red record button and it will record until you press the pause button in the bottom left. You can then choose the save option to save and name your file to your preferred location on your device. Once done, hit publish and it will save to your device. From there, you can upload to YouTube, add to your Google Classroom, and so forth.